In these uncertain times of COVID-19 and social distancing, I felt that it was important to share with you the actions that we've been taking to ensure that our facilities and vehicles are clean and safe for you, our team members, and the communities in which we serve. We are adopting an appointment-only policy for guests visiting our showroom. You can schedule an appointment on our website for a test drive. Those customers that may have already chosen the best vehicle to suit their needs can complete their purchase through our website using Hyundai Express Shopping. Effective immediately, we will be offering a no-charge concierge service to pick up and drop off vehicles that require maintenance or servicing at our dealership. In addition, for those customers that may find it difficult to leave home at this time, we will provide the same no-charge concierge service to deliver a newly purchased or leased vehicle to you. We are increasing the sanitization of frequently touched surfaces such as door handles, steering wheels, gear shift knobs, and seat belts on all vehicles that are test driven prior to all trips and serviced before being returned to the owner. We engage professional cleaning companies to clean and disinfect our dealership every night and have increased this above the norm. Employees that are not feeling well are being encouraged to stay at home, and any employees that have traveled outside the country are being instructed to follow the government's recommendation for self-isolation. Please continue to wash hands frequently. Inform us right away if you're not feeling well while visiting the dealership, and reschedule your appointment to visit us if you're not feeling well. If you have any questions about our approach on how we're handling this virus, please do not hesitate to contact us at your earliest convenience. I also want to take the time to thank you for your continued support and look forward to getting through these uncertain times with you.